Assalamu alaikum. Our topic for today is volume and surface area of spheres. Let's have a quick recap of the formulas for the volume and surface area of the sphere. So the formula for the volume of sphere is 4 over 3 pi r cube. Formula for the surface area of sphere is 4 pi r square. Right. So what is a hemisphere? You have already learned that hemisphere is half of a sphere. So in case of hemisphere, the volume is going to be half the volume of the sphere. So that makes it 2 over 3 pi r cube. How did we get 2 here? We divided 4 over 3. We divide this whole expression by 2. So in that case, we basically divide 4 over 3 by 2. So when you divide 4 over 3 by 2, simplify 2 and 4 and you get 2 over 3 pi r cube. What about the surface area of the hemisphere? So for a hemisphere, it consists of two parts. The curved part, this one, the curved part, which is the curved surface area, and the base. So the curved surface area of a hemisphere is half the surface area of the sphere, which is 2 pi r square. In order to find the total surface area, the base of a hemisphere is a circular base, and here we have the radius. So the total surface area is going to be 2 pi r square plus pi r square, which makes it 3 pi r square. Let's discuss our first example. It says a sphere has a volume of 12,345 centimeter cube. Find its surface area. So the volume is given to you guys. Right? So the volume is given in the question and you are asked to find the surface area. So the missing information here is the radius. So using the volume, you can find the radius. Volume equals to 4 over 3 pi r cube. So this makes it 12,345 equals to 4 over 3 pi r cube. You can take 3 to the other side. That makes it 12,345 into 3 divided by 4 pi. Since 4 and pi are being multiplied by r cube, they come to the denominator on the left hand side. You get r cube equals to 12,345 into 3 over 4 pi. Taking cube root on both sides, you will get 14.34 as your radius. We'll take the values up to 3 significant figures. We have to take the final answer up to 3 significant figures. Therefore, we take r up to 4 significant figures, 1 extra unit. Right? So let's come to the calculation about the surface area. Okay, we all know that the surface area is going to be 4 pi r square, right? So 4 pi into 14.34 square. So your final answer comes out to be 2584.09 centimeter square. You can leave it as it is or round it off up to 3 significant figures, which will be 2580 centimeter square. Let's discuss our next example. It says a hemisphere has a curved surface area. So focus on curved. A hemisphere has a curved surface area of 3645 pi centimeter square. find its volume, right? So the curved surface area equals to 2 pi r square. 3645 equals to, I forgot the pi. Please don't forget it. Pi equals to 2 pi r square. Cancel the pi on both sides. You get 3645 over 2 equals to r square. So r square equals to 1822.5, which is 1822.5. Taking square root on both sides, you get 42.69 centimeters. So now you have the radius. Once you have the radius, finding the volume should not be a trouble anymore. So since we're talking about a hemisphere, volume equals to 2 over 3 pi r cube, right? So that makes it 2 over 3 pi. Substitute the value of r, which is 42.69. Take a cube here. So using the calculator, you get the answer as 1,62,943 centimeter cube. You can round it off to 3 significant figures, which will give you 1,63,000 centimeter cube. This is your answer up to 3 significant figures. I hope you enjoyed. Have a nice day.